In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the DocuSign envelope ID from your documents. If you've ever sent or signed a document in DocuSign and noticed a long string of letters and numbers printed on the document, usually in a corner or at the bottom, that's the envelope ID. It's a tracking code DocuSign uses for security and audit purposes. While it's useful internally, you might not want that ID to show up on the final version of a contract, proposal, or client-facing document. The good news is you can turn this off in your account settings, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together now. First, start by going to your DocuSign dashboard. Open your browser and sign into your DocuSign account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see options to create, send, and manage envelopes. Before we change any settings, just make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you have access to more than one organization or profile in DocuSign. Next, look for the Admin tab at the top of the screen. This is where DocuSign keeps all of the configuration settings that affect how documents are sent, signed, and displayed. Go ahead and click on Admin. If you don't see this tab, it may mean you don't have admin permissions, in which case you'll need someone with admin access in your organization to follow these steps on your behalf. Once you're in the admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several sections for different types of settings. From that left-hand column, click on Sending Settings. This section controls how envelopes behave when you send them out, including what extra information appears on the documents. When the Sending Settings page loads, scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Enable, including the envelope ID on the document. This is the setting that controls whether that tracking code is printed directly onto your documents. To remove the envelope ID from future documents, make sure this option is unchecked. If there's a checkbox next to it and it's currently selected, click it once to clear it. After unchecking this option, review the page for any Save or Apply button and confirm your changes. From this point on, DocuSign will stop adding the envelope ID to your documents, giving you a cleaner, more professional looking final file while still maintaining tracking information behind the scenes.